3, 4. What's up, guys? So, the song from José González, you probably are not watching till here because you already got it by just the intro. But for those of you who are still watching, I'll explain it a bit further. And it's quite a really nice song. It's got a really nice tune. It's in the key of A Dorian. Now, it's in the key of A minor, and you can think of it as just using like a non-diatonic chord, D7. But I like to think of it as in the key of A Dorian, which uses the chords A, G. Well, this all the chords in the key of G major, right? But with A minor as the centerpiece of the whole thing. So we got A minor, G. Instead of a D minor, you have a D7 or D major, which you can. Where he plays as a D7/F sharp. I know what I wrote in the thing is D/F sharp, but it's actually a D7 with the F sharp in the bass. So you have that descending bass, like D, D, do. C/G, and then if he didn't put the descending bass, it would sound like this. It's House of the Rising Sun. There is. Accents for the strumming is on 2 and 4. So we've got the bass on the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you can just do it. 3. Down, down, down. So that riff, you got this hammer on the 6th string going da-dum chaka, and then you got da-dum chaka. So you got do do down chaka down chaka down down chaka down chaka down 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 ba down down. So that. And sometimes when he plays his D, he adds the pinky here at the bottom. And then he goes to the chorus, which is just C, part 2, G, and he does it. He actually leaves the bottom string open to make it a G6, which sounds really nice. G, another bar, and then to the D. So this is like the C shape, but with on the 5th fret. And that the open G string gives it an add 11. That's the 11th note. And the second time it goes C and G for once, 3, 4, and then D for once, and then D with the pinky. Okay, you might see him in the video playing an A minor at the beginning with the pinky here, but it's just because he's muting the 6th string. Now I just mute the 6th string with my thumb here, just underneath the thumb. It's actually better to mute with the pinky. I just heard, because the thumb still gives you a little bit of a sound, but the pinky gives you just that harmony. Anyway, really nice song from José González. I'm looking forward to doing the tutorials for all of these songs that just came out from the album. It'll be really fun. Cheers. Have a nice day, guys.